think first of all, there are a couple of things. We're all in a race. We're all competing. And to use a race and a race car as an analogy on how we compete, I think sort of rings true to what we need to do to prepare. How do you prepare your business and to prepare for your business? Also, our television campaign and our advertising campaign for 2016 refers to a race, 1955, Stirling Moss, Dennis Jenkinson, Emilia Miglia. It's an endurance race in Italy, and a lot of innovation and preparation went into that race for them to be able to win the race. And I think that comparison, the race that they did and what we actually doing in business, rings true. So it's about preparing well, it's about using innovations, and it's about doing something differently. I think the biggest benefit that we offer our advisors is first of all a very good and established and reputable brand. An advisor that interacts with clients needs to be able to demonstrate that there's substance behind them, and a good brand provides them with that. Then if one goes from the brand, the regulatory environment, compliance environment, and all the subsequent support services that an advisor needs to be able to run an effective practice is something which we offer. So the advisor doesn't have to worry about running the business and running the practice and ensuring that his processes are in place. He can concentrate on facing the client. Well, you got me with 3 questions there. Let's start off with RDR. In terms of RDR, I mean, RDR is all about getting good and decent outcomes for clients. So one can decide, is it limiting, is it a hurdle, or is it an opportunity? Now, we've decided that RDR is an opportunity, and we've put structures and processes and systems in place that it becomes a lot easier for an advisor to adhere to the RDR and the regulations. And the benefit that obviously has to a client is to ensure that client outcomes are actually achieved. How does that tie into digital advice, or robo-advice as more people are calling it at this stage? We like to talk about digital advice. Once again, digital advice is about reaching clients that potentially cannot afford to pay the advice fees that will be charged in the advice space going forward. So those fees are already there, they're already in place, but we expect those fees to clients to probably increase over time. And in the digital space, in the PSG environment, we're already embarking on digitizing our business. That'll benefit our advisors. It'll benefit our advisors that they'll be able to service your smaller clients that typically will be under pressure from the advice fee side, but be able to service them appropriate service, appropriate fees. So overall, whether it's RDR, whether it's digital advice, it's something that we as PSG and the process that we put in place will benefit not only the advisor, because at the end of the day, it's your client outcome that's important.